Hi guys, and welcome to another tips and tricks video. Last week we did an Excel video that got a great reception, so this week we're doing another Excel video. This time we'll be talking about my favorite function to use, index plus match. If you've ever used Excel, you probably know about vertical and horizontal lookup. Now, forget completely about it because index match is much more powerful and it's very easy to understand. Let me show you how it works. To show you how index match works, I have created this table here. I have added various different currencies and I have split them between regional and international. Now, if I want to find out whether this currency right here is regional or international, we can use the index match function. And here's how we would do it. First, I would type equals and use the function index. Now, when we use the function index, it's always to find the result of our query. In this case, my result will be found in this array right here because I'm looking to find whether this currency is regional or international. Now that I've chosen my array, I can block it with F4. Now I can use the comma and add the second function, which is match. Match has three different variables that we need to use. First up is the lookup value. The lookup value is what we're looking for. We're looking for USD. So I can choose it right here, press comma, and go to the second variable. The second variable is the lookup array. It's where our currency is found. In this case, it would be the column B in this array right here. Here is our currency USD. I can block it again with F4, press comma for the last argument, which in this case is a match type. I always use the number 0 because I'm always looking for the exact match to what I'm looking. I can close two parentheses, and that's it. I just press enter, and here we can see that USD is an international currency. If I change USD to AED, for example, the formula switches to regional. If I use GBP, it switches again to international. Now we can apply the same formula over to this longer table of currencies. I can type in here again, equals index. Where is my result array? It's this column right here. I block it with F4. Then I need the match function. What am I looking for in this line right here? I'm looking for BHT, comma. What is my lookup array? My lookup array is once more this column right here. I can block it with F4. What is my match type? My match type will once more be 0 for the exact match. I close two parentheses, press enter, and BHD is a regional currency, as you can see right here. Now I can copy this formula all the way down. And as you can see, all my currencies now have their type associated with them. That was pretty cool, right? Now, what if you have multiple criteria, such as, for example, type and color? Well, index match can help you with this as well. Let me show you. If I'm looking for something and I have multiple criteria, I can still use index match. Now, in this example right here, I have a table that has a color, a type, and a price. If I want to find what is the price of the green pants, I can use index match. First, I will write equals index and look for the array where my result is, and then press F4 to block it. Then I would open up the match function. So far, we're doing exactly the same thing as with a single argument. However, now, since I have two criteria, I need to choose both of them. So first, I would choose green, then I would add the and symbol, and then I would choose pants and press comma. Now I need the lookup arrays. And again, I need two lookup arrays with both the color and the type. So first I would add the color array, block it with F4. I would then use the and sign again. Then I would choose the second array, block that one as well. and press comma. As always, I need the exact match, so I would use the number 0. Close two parentheses and press enter. As you can see, the price of green pants is 120. It's the same in the table right here. Now if I change green to, for example, blue, the price changes to 60. If I change pants to sweater, the price now becomes 70. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you've learned something new. What is your favorite function to use? Why don't you tell us in the comments below? Until next time, bye-bye.